Ready to turn that Temu credit balance into some awesome new finds. First, make sure you have a Temu account and that you're logged in. Then, tap the U tab at the bottom of your screen. It's usually the last icon. On the right, this is where you'll find all your account information. Look for credit balance. You'll see how much credit you have available to spend. Keep in mind this balance might have an expiration date, so always double check the terms and conditions associated with your credits. Now, go ahead and fill up your shopping cart with all those must-have items. Once you're ready to check out, tap the shopping cart icon at the bottom. On the checkout page, you'll see different payment options. Your Temu credit balance should automatically appear as an available payment method above the other options like credit card or PayPal. Simply activate the slider or check the box next to your credit balance to apply it to your order. The total amount due will automatically update, reflecting the deduction of your credit. If your credit balance covers the entire purchase, you can proceed without adding any other payment method. If there's a remaining balance, you'll need to choose an additional payment option to cover the difference. Then, tap place order and get ready to receive your amazing Temu goodies.